will be shooting Princess Belle project.
Struggling and nothing seems right. Just let go of everything that hurt you and reach out for everything that's in you. And for the light, we sail until the storm is over. And everything is alright. But today we'll just keep dancing in the rain. Up through the night. Each day, each fight, your dreams are crumbling and nothing feels right. Just break out from everything that binds you and have faith in everything inside you. And for the light, we sail until the storm is over. And everything is alright. But today we'll just keep dancing in the rain. Dancing in the rain. Until the storm is over and everything is alright. But today we'll just keep dancing in the rain. Dancing in the rain. 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 Dancing in the rain. Dancing in the feels like summertime. Feels like summertime. Skies blue, the clouds show red, the sun shines, and I love it. And all year around for this time again. Short shorts, black showing, 'cause life's short, and I know it. And all year around for this time again. No time is spending staring out the windows. Drink up all night, so throw away pillows. Sing loud all night, tonight we are heroes. Yeah, it feels like summertime. face, shades showing, thin lines, mind blowing. Been all year around for this time again. White sand, the lights glowing all night, and here I'm going. Been all year around for this time again. No time spending staring out the windows. Drink up all night, so throw away pillows. Sing loud all night, tonight we are heroes. Yeah, it feels like service time.
Beautiful St. Valentine themed satin. It's gorgeous. It has roses, beautiful flowers, a dining table with flowers. Overall, this photo studio is just like amazing.
Pop closed, then I gotta go. Now I'm laying on my couch and I'm bored and so.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Bye.